What's up, guys? Welcome to another ride video. We're on our way to Sacramento Harley Davidson to go and pick up the Memphis Shades handguards that I ordered a couple days ago. Did come in, so we'll go ahead and pick that up. This is round 2 of testing out this camera. Hopefully it works out this time. I made sure to change the file type. I think that was the issue last time. So it did record, but it wasn't compatible with my video editing software, so that didn't really work out well. Just got off work, so it's after 5 p.m. so there's gonna be a lot of cars. Be experiencing a little bit of traffic on this ride. Alright, we just pulled up to Sacramento Harley. Go ahead and pick up that handguards. Alright guys, we got the goods. Time to bring it home and do an install video. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we're back to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and put that Memphis Shades handguards on. Before we do, let's just take a look at the before. Alright, so this is what came in the box. Comes with 2 handguards, one for the clutch side, which is that one on the top. Comes with some washers, comes with a long bracket for the clutch side and the short bracket for the throttle side. So it says that you'll need some kind of tool, I believe 1/2 inch socket wrench, and it comes with some simple instructions, so hopefully it should be a simple install. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove these bolts here. Alright, so for this one, it's slightly smaller, so you'll use the 7/16 socket wrench. Should be able to loosen that up. Okay, so it already comes with the washer and the screws. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these rubber grommets from this bolt, and then take the handguard and squeeze it in there. Alright, so once both things are on, all you gotta do is grab these screws and push them in here with the washer. Okay, right there and right there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this bracket and screw it on. Make sure that this side is on top, and just do a hand tight until you think everything is solid. Just like so. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and tighten that. The next thing we're going to do is to remove the mirrors and the turn signals. You just got to remove a bolt, which is right here, and it just goes in right there. So let's do that right now. Alright, so after you hand tied it, just make sure everything is aligned. You got your mirrors okay, straight on the right location. Turn signals facing straight. Alright, and I think we can go ahead and tighten that up. Alright guys, so yeah, pretty simple install. We done the clutch side, so we'll go ahead and do the throttle side, and I'll just go ahead and fast forward that. Here's my little helper right here. Marcy, yeah. Alright guys, so I was able to get that throttle side as well. So this is how it looks. So go ahead and clean the bike a little. And I'll wash it off. Clean out all the bugs. So it'll look good. Alright, we are done. So that is the after. So we'll go ahead and go for a test ride and see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're back on the bike, doing a little quick test ride with the Memphis Shades handguards that I just installed. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so far guys, yes, it definitely works. I do not feel any wind, or at least as much wind on my hands. So it definitely deflects some. I'm going to go ahead and head to the freeway and test it out there and see how that goes. Alright guys, so looks like GoPro died while I was on the freeway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video right here. But yeah, Memphis Shades handguards work well. It worked pretty good on the freeway as well. Fortunately I didn't get the footage on that, but until next time, as always, ride safe, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Peace.